This is my lunch today. I'm having pork, rice, and this is the chicken chili. I got it from Safdarjung.
Ain't afraid to drown if that means I play up in your ocean. Hey, girl, I drink it down, you're up and round. Girl, you call me right now. My head to your
It's winter and it's that time of the year where my skin gets dry, dehydrated because of the weather. And because of this, my skin gets very dull sometimes. It looks dull. So I get to know about this app called Cureskin, which is a dermatologist app. First, I downloaded this app, Cureskin, that you can get from App Store or Play Store. So after downloading the app, you need to sign in. And after you're signing in, they will ask a question about your skin goal. For me, I selected healthy skin, and you can choose any skin goal that you want. After you choose your skin goal, and they will ask you about your skin concerns, your skin issues that you're facing, and your skin type. Also, they will ask you for the products that you're using currently and some other various questions related to your skin. Then you take a AI analysis test where the AI scans your face and they will detect the areas that need treatment. Also remember that we all have different skins, so our customized kit will be different from each other. My skin type is different, your skin type is different, your skin issues and your skin goals are different from mine, so our customized kit will be different for different individuals. After taking the test and considering various factors, a customized skincare kit will be prepared for your skin type, which is extremely affordable, time-saving, and convenient. As if you go from here to the dermatologist, it will take lots of your time also. Here you don't even have to pay for your monthly consultation. They also provide you the diet plan on the Cureskin app itself. They also provide you your lifestyle choices and many other things that will be beneficial for your skin, because our skin depends on our diet indirectly. So you should definitely try using this app for your any skin concerns. So this is my customized kit from Cureskin, and my customized kit contains 4 products. First is this Cureskin Gentle Cleanse Face Wash. And please remember that the products will be different for each of us because we have different skin type. And this is the second cream, that is Kojic Plus cream. And the third that I have in my customized kit is this Glyco cream. And I also have this Ceramide Care cream. Let's do my skincare with Cureskin. First, I'm using this cleanser. It's very gentle on your skin. I'll use this Ceramide Care cream. I'll use this Glyco Clear cream. In the app Cureskin, you can speak to the dermatologist through the app directly. It's very convenient for us. So currently, I'm using these 4 products from Cureskin, and it only costed 1500 rupees. And if you're looking for more discount, just go to the description, click on the link and use my code MLO100. You will get flat 100 rupees off on your purchase, and it's available for first 50 customers only. Ah. The chicken chili, rice, chili, and pork plus seaweed is like heaven. I should have tried it before. It's so beautiful and this is my dinner, and today's dinner is rice again because I eat rice 365 days, and dal and this pork and plus chutney. It's like from morning only. I just wanted to finish this meat, and yeah, water. So this I got today from Banjara market. It was for 100, and this also I got from Banjara market. It was also for 100, and this also I got from, look at this, how pretty is this, the design. I got this for 30 rupees. 30 rupees. Itadakimasu. I haven't showered for 2 or 3 days. 3 days, yeah. I will shower today after my dinner. In winter I don't usually shower, so but I have to shower, you know, hygienic. This cup is so cute.
But the love serenade. Always love you is not a sappy song. It's classic. Yes, we still have the kitchen table, but the chairs went about a half hour ago. What? Why are you smiling? I ain't afraid to drown. If that means I play up in your ocean, hey. Girl, I drink it down, sipping on your body all night. I just wanna take your legs and wrap around. Girl, you got me right now. My head to your just feeling your heartbeat, girl. Swimming all in your sea and you're sweating all over me. Bring it forward, don't you run. No, I don't want.
This is the spicy one and this is non-spicy one. So I will eat this non-spicy one first.
Baby, you're just like a storm raining on me. Girl, you're soaking wet, right?
I'll make this again.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna lick a light. Yeah, yeah.
I'll finish this non-spicy one first and then I will attack to the spicy one. This is like my brunch. And I know you think it's not enough, but I'm not lying. This has lots of things together, so I'm getting full slowly. Even though I eat a lot from time to time or very few sometimes, it depends on the weather, it depends on my mood and all. So wow.
Hey, girl, when I'm inside, yeah, yeah. Girl, you heard what I said. I'm gonna make you wet the bed.
You all should try this out, no?
I'm gonna make.
So it's the dinner time. I will make dinner. I was planning to make japchae, but I think I'll make fried rice because today's brunch rice is still there, so I don't want to waste food, so I will make fried rice. So let's go and make fried rice. Also, I'm watching BTS documentary. Today's dinner, I was planning to make japchae, but I don't know the ingredients, so I will look up tomorrow and I will make tomorrow if I am in the mood of making. I also have this from today, so I will eat this and this together. So I'm eating this with fried rice. It smells nice. Itadakimasu.
의과학과에서 인턴십을 수료하고 지금도 원격으로 이어가고 있습니다. 대박 신기하다. 와, 저 지옥으로부터 연애하실 때 원래 기다리세요? 아니면 되게 좀 설렘을 오래?
This is the brunch of today. So this is dumpling from rice paper. I made it for the first time. Let's try it out. And this soup is from that. You already saw the process. Mmm. It's so good. This is so good. I will make it again. My rice paper is, I don't have rice paper anymore, so I'll buy a new one. I'll make more dumpling. This is so good. Why I didn't try it before? I don't know. Something was wrong with me. I'll make japchae today. It's my first time making japchae. I've never made.
I ain't afraid to drown if that means I pick up in your ocean. Yeah. Girl, I drink it down. It's been on your body all night. I just wanna take your legs and wrap around. Girl, you got me right now. My head to your just feeling your heartbeat, girl. Swimming all in your sea and you're spinning all over me. Bring it forward, don't you run. No, I don't want to be your minute man. Baby, you're just like a storm raining on me. Girl, you're soaking wet, right? Yeah. I'm gonna lick a light. Yeah.
This is today's
Girl,
brunch.
when I'm inside.
Yesterday I was so lazy to cook. That's why I slept early. I didn't even cook for dinner.
I'm gonna make
It's not cooked properly. This is the brunch today and I'm watching Mehuna.